Welcome to my channel. This video is about making turmeric powder at home. There are two methods for making turmeric powder. One is using fresh turmeric and another one is using processed dried turmeric. This one is the fresh turmeric. It is only available during the season. I'm just orally explaining this method because I didn't make the complete video of this. I'm just orally explaining this. Take the fresh turmeric, peel the skin properly. Consuming the turmeric skin is harmful, so peel it properly using a knife. After completing the peeling step, wash it thoroughly and then cut it into small pieces, and then allow this to dry under the sun. Then grind it well after it dries completely. That's all the steps. The next method is using dried turmeric. This one is dried turmeric. This will available at all the time. No need to peel the skin because already the skin removing process were done. First step is soaking the turmeric. We cannot grind such hard turmeric, so we have to cut it into small pieces first. For that, soak the turmeric well overnight and strain it in the morning. This makes the turmeric soft. Now the soaking step is completed. It becomes soft. In this stage, make the turmeric into small pieces. I am going to use the hammer to break this turmeric into pieces, or you can use any other tool whichever is easier for you. Just give a gentle stroke to the turmeric. It will turn into pieces. After completing this step, collect all the turmeric in a plate like this, and then allow this to dry under the sun until it removes the moisture completely. Now it is completed. The next step is making powder of this. You can use the mixie for making the powder. I'm going to use the machine which is available in the shop because I'm having large quantity. After completing the grinding step, allow this to cool completely. After it cools well, you can put it in a container. Now the turmeric powder is ready. While making like this, you will get the pure form of turmeric. In this turmeric, there is no artificial color, flavor, or any other chemical for preserving the turmeric powder. This is the pure form of turmeric powder. Try this in your home and keep your family healthy. I hope you all like this video, and also it will be a useful video. Thank you for watching my video. If you really like this video, please keep supporting me and subscribe my channel. Thank you.